Hey Dustin, this is Ramsey Cisneros and Kayla Thompson with LCM Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video today. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things you can do to your website real easily so you can beat TrueView window glass and showers when Google searching window installation Tempe, Arizona. So if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's super simple. I found out a little while ago that smaller business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit their company and bring them more business. And usually the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I also understand some businesses do have a digital marketing agency, but they just aren't seeing the results they are paying them for. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me. Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is to help you out in whatever way I can. What I'm going to talk about today are 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. So coming to your home page, I really like the picture that you have in the background here. But what Google really cares about is the content that you have within your page. Okay, if we go here, it shows that you have 551 words within your content. Your competitor has 519. So you're beating them when it comes to that aspect, which is great. And if you get to that 1,500 to 2,000 word mark, you'd completely blow them out of the water. Google's #1 spots are usually around 2,000 word mark. So that's kind of what you want to shoot for. You also want to make sure that you put content within this word, or keywords within this content. Okay, keyword is anything that you would like a Google search. So for instance, window companies in Tempe, Arizona, or window installation in Tempe, Arizona. Those are 2 different keywords. But you also want to save your pictures that you upload to your website. Save them as a keyword as well. This will help you become an authority within Google. So that's our first tip. Our second tip is backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking and driving traffic to you. This is important. Google is like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you. But they want to see relevant links. So those backlinks are going to give you a lot more power if you have another window company linking to you versus a Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not associated with pizza. So the tool I use to look at backlinks is called Ahrefs. Okay, it is a paid tool. They do have free tools amongst the internet, for instance, backlink checker, keyword planner, just a couple. But if you see right here, it says you have 31 backlinks. We go over to your competitor, they have 2.3 thousand backlinks. So you're going to want to get more backlinks than them, and the easiest way to do that is just copy the links they already have and put them on top of yours. And the way to do that is to go into the links here, go down the list of all these websites that they are linking to them, and visit those websites and put a link on that website back to your page. A lot of the times you just create a profile and put the link in your profile. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and send an email to the owner. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do as well. But just by copying them and doing those 2 tips, that's how you become #1 organically right down here. Okay, these are directories. So down here, okay. Now, the next place I want to talk about is right here. This is where the most traffic goes, and this is where you want to be. Okay, and this is called Google Map Pack. It's free to have a Google My Business profile, and all you need to do is have more citations than your competitor. A citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. A directory is anywhere or any website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, yes, Yellow Pages, White Pages, stuff like that. So what I do is I figure out what directories Arizona Window and Door is in, and I put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top of that. So if they were in 100 directories, I put mine in 200 directories. But that's all I got for you today. I hope you found this information helpful, and I tried to keep it short and simple. Just for a recap, you're going to want to have 2,000 words within your home page. You're also going to want to take backlinks from your competitor and put yourself into those. And the last thing you want to do is put your name, address, and phone numbers in more directories than your competitors so that you can rank #1 right here. If you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across Google. If you're wondering what to do now, I would recommend you get started right away because it does take some time to implement all of this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you profit off your work. If you have any more questions or you just don't know what to do and want someone else to handle it for you, you can give us a call right here. We'll be free to answer any questions that you might have. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to your feedback and hope you have an amazing day. Thanks.